Hello everyone, pairing radish with noodles turned out to be surprisingly delicious. Today, I'm going to share a unique new way to enjoy them. It smells absolutely amazing. Prepare 2 yuan worth of noodles and put them in a large bowl. Add a little cooked oil. Stir well with chopsticks so that the noodles are evenly coated with oil. This will prevent them from sticking together. After mixing well, place the noodles in a steamer. Arrange the noodles so they're spread out evenly. Cover with a lid, and once the steam comes up, steam on high heat for 10 minutes. Cut off the ends of the washed radish. Then slice it into thick, thin pieces. As the saying goes, eat radish in winter and ginger in summer. In autumn and winter, eating more radish brings countless health benefits. Next, cut the slices into thick shreds. After cutting, place them in a bowl for later use. Prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger, crush it and chop it finely. After chopping, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare a section of green onion and chop it into scallion rings. Crush 3 cloves of garlic and mince them. Prepare a piece of pork belly worth 1 yuan and slice it thinly. With the addition of pork belly, the dish will taste even more delicious. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Our noodles are also steamed and ready, so use chopsticks to loosen them up. Add a little oil to the pan, then add the pork belly. Stir fry evenly until fragrant and the fat is rendered out. Fry the pork belly until the surface is slightly golden, then it's ready. Next, add the scallion, ginger and garlic, along with 1 star anise, and stir fry over low heat until aromatic. Then add a little dark soy sauce and stir fry evenly until the ingredients are well colored. Add a splash of cooking wine to remove any unwanted odors. Next, add the shredded radish. Quickly stir fry everything together. Cook the shredded radish until it's just tender. Now for the seasoning, add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little sugar to enhance the flavor, an appropriate amount of light soy sauce, a little oyster sauce. Stir fry again until everything is evenly mixed and fragrant. Then add half a bowl of water. Bring it to a boil over high heat, then add the steamed noodles. Mix everything evenly. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 2 minutes, allowing the noodles to absorb the flavor of the sauce. After 2 minutes, remove the lid. Use chopsticks to mix everything well. Mix well, then cover again and let it simmer for another minute, and it's done. Wow, it smells so good, it's making my mouth water. Alright, plate it up. A delicious braised noodle dish with radish is ready. Fragrant, smooth with noodles, meat and vegetables, making it especially nutritious. Once it's served, both adults and kids love it. It's a truly lazy way to cook. If you like it, remember to like, save and share. Thank you for your support.